Hi students, for guidance in preparing and writing your financial plan, ensure that these 8 components ay nandyan kasali sa financial plan ng business ninyo. Number 1, start-up cost of your business. For example, how much is your starting capital? How much is the payment of your DTI, your business permit and licenses, and the like? Number 2, operating expenses, payment for your salaries and wages of your employees, utility bills payment, right? Your light bill, water bill, and the like. Number 3, cash flow statement, your cash inflow, your cash outflow, how much. Number 4, sales forecast. Number 5, revenue projection. Number 6, income statement, your income and expenses of your business. Number 7, profitability analysis. And number 8, budgeting. All right, so good luck. Bye.